Let's cozy up with a bowl of delicious lasagna soup. And if you've been a watcher on Laura in the Kitchen for a long time, then you know I've made this recipe for you before. It is one of our family favorites and it's just so delicious. It's also really nice and quick and easy. It's not a soup that requires hours of simmering, which is really nice. You're going to start off with chopping and dicing some onions and garlic as per usual. Set those aside for a minute. In your pot, you're going to go ahead and brown some ground beef. What I meant to say was you can brown ground beef, or you can also use ground turkey if you want. I am a beef girly all the way, so ground beef it is. You want it to be fully cooked through and browned, and then you're going to add in your onion and cook that down for just a few minutes to just literally soften it and cook it down. It does not need to develop a bunch of color. Add your garlic, cook that for about another minute. And then at this point, you're going to season this mixture with some salt, making sure to season every layer of your dish. It's so important. And then once you do that, you're going to go ahead and add in your beef stock, or you could use beef broth, and your tomato product of choice. It can be crushed tomatoes. It can be tomato puree. It can be leftover marinara sauce. It can really be any tomato product that you have. It will work. Add some seasoning. Some Italian seasoning will be great. And at this point, you just want to give this a stir and just let it simmer. It needs to simmer for a bit. You need those flavors to concentrate and for the flavors to develop and just do really beautiful, wonderful things. And in the meantime, you're going to go ahead. I'm using malfade, which are these long noodles that have these pretty little ridges that resemble like lasagna noodles. I use these and I just break them up into bite-sized pieces, but you can use actual lasagna noodles or any ditalini shells, whatever you have on hand. After a while, you're going to add that to your simmering soup. Let that cook until nice and al dente. In the meantime, mix together your cheesy topping. You need some ricotta, lots of parm, and I like to add lots of black pepper and then some fresh mozz. This is just a log of fresh mozz that I went ahead and diced up nice and small. You can use some shredded mozzarella if you want to, but I prefer the fresh kind. It melts so much better. Once you have everything in there, give it all a really nice stir, and this is done. All you need to do is to take your soup, ladle it into your soup bowls, and then get ready to top with that cheesy goodness. And I want to remind you, these videos are in addition to my regular content, not in place of. And when can you ever complain about too much food inspiration? Am I right? I love the soup. I hope you do too. I will have the exact recipe linked for you down below. I hope you make it. And just remember, it's precisely when you need comfort food that you just don't have the time to make it. So this is a way of getting the comfort food of lasagna in a really quick and easy way that your family will love.